Myself, Dr. Radhisham Jagrawal, Associate Professor in Economics, Government College Town. My study paper is Labor Economics. What is labor economics? I explain the labor economics. First point is labor economics seeks to understand the functioning of the market and dynamic of labor. Now second is labor markets function through the interaction of workers and employers. Now third is labor economics looks at the suppliers of labor services, the demanders of labor services, and attempt to understand the resulting. Now, next point is it is an important subject because unemployment is a problem that affects the public most directly and servicely. Now, last point is full employment, that is reduced unemployment, are a goal of many modern governments. Next point is what study labor economics. Now, first point is human resources allocate substantial time and energy to labor markets. Now, second point is labor economics studies how labor markets work. Now, last point is labor economics help us understand and address many social and economics problems facing modern scientific. Next topic is labor demand. Labor demand is the need for employees and workers in particular job in given time. Now second point is the demand for labor comes from the employees. Next, factor effects for labor demand. First point is wage rate. Second point is unit cost of capital. Now second point is third point is selling price of output. Scope of labor economics, importance, manpower planning, labor organization, labor relations and public policy, wage and employment theory, collective bargaining theory, practice of social security and welfare, concepts of labor. First point is commodity labor, second point is machinery concept, and third point is goodwill concept. Now, last we draw the diagrams. We plotted zero axis on number of leisure hours per period of time, and zero y axis we plotted income per period of time. Now I see one indifference curve for labor economics. Now I see 2 is labor economics indifference curve. Now 0 axis we can plot it labor leisure. Now y1 difference between y2, that is leisure hours. Thanks. अरे हमारी मंजूर वालों बहुत मेहनत कर रही है।
ये अलग सिस्टम लगाए तो ये सही है जो था।
सर ये सॉफ्टवेयर है, सॉफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड किया, अभी आपका भी कर देंगे, सर का भी कर देंगे।
अरे यार बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूँ।